Mark at the Windmill Garden. It's a nice, mild January morning, and I'm doing stock tank check. We've already got a few customers here at this tank. This stock tank's working fine. The pipeline is getting water up here, but we do need to make an adjustment. The float that turns the water on and off at this stock tank is set a little low. All the floats are attached to valves like this, a float bob. You can adjust them right here with this wheel using this thumb screw. The problem I'm having with this tank though is that the cage that protects the ball from the cows is set a little low. If I adjust that float one notch, it'll hit and the tank overflows. We'll adjust it a different way. To raise this float this morning, I'm going to go with option B. I'm just going to add extra S-hooks. That'll give me about 2.5 more inches. It's been a really mild winter here in southeast Colorado, but having that bob exposed is a problem. Cold weather sets in, things can freeze up and even break. And here's the problem I've been having with this tank this winter. If I raise that wheel one notch, the float will hit that cage and the tank will overflow. Let's pull this float so it's easier to work on. My hand's in the way in this shot, but I'm just loosening that thumb screw. Now I'm bending that S6 so I can get it off. Hands in the way again. And now we'll just add a link, or maybe two. See how it goes. Reattach the float arm and see how our adjustment did. Righty-tighty. Yeah, that looks better. That should give us enough water to cover up that bob so it doesn't freeze. A quick water fix today before it gets cold. Keep the water flowing and keep these customers happy. You are a goofball. Yeah, you are.